what it do, people. We not in the lab. We on the highway. Riding with my boy Big Shug. You know what I'm saying? Boy, I got that trailer back there on. Y'all can see it. Riding down here to Austin. Cut your blink off. I ain't driving. I'm tripping. Nah, look, I'm used to driving and holding that phone. I'm like, oh shit. Nah, yeah, people. We rolling down here to Austin. I ain't gonna tell y'all what he going to go pick up. I'll just show y'all when we get there. Right now we on the highway. Making money the flyway. Yeah, we just here, we still not that far from the house. We on the Beltway. We probably about 10 minutes out. We got a couple hours. It's a little cloudy. Look like we might run into a little rain, but it's all good.
Hey, bro, you can't really excited about this whole.
With this car? Shit, I know you is.
Bro,
I saw the smile on your face yesterday. Like a kid at Christmas time. That boy say, I say, man, I ride out there with you. That boy say, oh man, here you go. I'll be there at 8:30 sharp. That boy wasn't lying either. I think he pulled up at 8:39. I say, man, let me get myself together. Let's ride. Shit. Let's ride, goddammit. Keep y'all updated. We still in Houston. Coming up on Highway 249. Show y'all what my boy gonna pick up. Then we gotta get it loaded up. That's gonna be fun.
nah, for real.
That's gonna be fun. But we ain't tripping. The excitement, we'll get it up there. We ain't doing no tripping. Once we get out of Houston, start seeing some different little country towns and stuff, I'll send y'all some footage. Tap back in. We're coming up on the infamous Buc-ee's. When you headed to Prairie View out here. Yeah, I see it's a lot of people out here. It'd be a lot going on at Buc-ee's. I don't know if you want to get on this end right here. Infamous Buc-ee's, y'all. This is like a mall for getting gas and accessories. You don't go in Buc-ee's when you got money and you're on the road, because you will spend $200 in there easy. I'm not going in there. Lord have mercy. Shug had to look back at me. Shug crazy. Oh, girl, get out the car. Her skirt was all the way up. Yep, you see it all at Buc-ee's, y'all. People from different states, different towns. We almost hit the Prairie mark. It's like a shopping mall for getting gas, y'all. Big old parking lot. And it's cars almost at every pump out here. And I know it's every bit of 100. Let me see. We on number 51. We on pump 51. Pump 51. Rolling. Huh? Boy.
Shit. Put soup in that bitch.
Hey, that trip don't take more than 6 hours. That man talking about put some soup in the diesel truck. Yeah, this trip don't take more than, we'll be on the road more than 6 hours. It's gonna take us 6 hours to get there, not 6 hours to get there and back. You ain't gotta put no def in here, it's deleted.
I ain't never did that extra. And I always pump gas like this.
You know it take def, not unless he deleted it. If you run out of that, the truck gonna cut off. You might need to call your old man to actually do this truck take def, or is it deleted?
I ain't never seen him put that in there, bro.
It might be deleted, bro.
I ain't never seen him put that in there.
How long he had this truck?
Bro, I have never seen him put that in some years.
He got a gauge up there that tell you how much def in here?
No.
Hey, I don't know, y'all. I ain't gonna lie though, knowing his old man probably got the def deleted. I'm pretty sure he do, but I don't know.
I don't even know how the fuck you put def in these motherfuckers, so I know we ain't supposed to be.
It's over there.
If I had to pay for def, I wouldn't want to drive this one.
You need to look up there and make sure it ain't no gauge that say def. All right, y'all. We finna get back on the road. I'll tap back in. There was the Prairie sign, y'all. I missed it. I caught a little bit of it. We in Prairie.
Crazy. The first time I really did some shit like this.
Yeah.
Drive to go get the car.
Man, this is what I really want to start doing. Going out buying cars, filming, bringing them back, find them up, getting them running, pull them out, sell it. Go buy LS, drop it in, same car, same content. Put that boy out there, sell it. You coming to talk to me when you want to buy something.
So what you think, bro? So you think getting this car originally? Think I should try to find me a quick 307 or something like that right quick?
I already told you what to do. You gonna spend about the same money.
With either motor. So straight LS and I'm talking.
Oh, because you can get that easy.
Yeah.
Motor transmission.
But what I gotta go so we get the free that what that is.
That brain.
ride share. Fabricated.
Yeah, we can do that out there. Country land, y'all. Out in the old country. Under woods and trees. Berkshire. There's Chapel Hill sausage. That's the Chapel Hill building. All your Chapel Hill sausages come from right there. It's beautiful out here. Good old country. I'd love to have me something like that over there. Country. Got that shop in the back over there. Oh yeah. Country got me crazy. Just filming. I'ma edit it all together and post it. Beautiful, beautiful country. It look peaceful out here. No traffic.
Gotta have a car to come out here.
Oh yeah. Everything's spread it out. I ain't seen a parts store in I don't know how long. Lottery.
And I bet that shit sell like.
Mm-hmm. We in Austin, y'all. Look like old town Springs. Yeah, this look old school.
Railroad crossing ahead.
You said the best burgers in town.
I'm a burger man too.
Turn right onto Decker Lake Road.
Nice scenery, y'all, out here in Austin.
Nah, for real.
Got some hills. Oh yeah. Steep hills. Oh yeah. Country out here, y'all. Lumber, woods, and animals. We almost there, y'all.
Yeah, we 3 minutes away.
All right, people. We got the car loaded up. And this is my boy Suge came to grab. He don't know what he gonna do with it. Look how he looking. Look at him. Like a kid in a damn candy store. Look at the abominable snowman. Found something that made him smile.
Maybe put some $100 bills all over this motherfucker.
Huh.
Spread back money green.
Spread back money green with $100 bills all in the paint, goddammit. Hey, I shouldn't have said that on the channel, man. Somebody might take your idea, man. Let me go and do that.
So I seen that shit when I was young. At the Capitol Beach Party, nigga.
Yeah.
Like 2000.
Somebody with some money in
They
their
had
paint.
a fucking STS green, and they had the $100 on it. Done it
Oh, yeah.
in the paint.
I give somebody to airbrush me some on there. I don't know about putting no real
That nigga
ones
put
in
them
there.
real deals in there. You know they was real too.
Y'all see what he got, y'all. $2 Sabre. Got a big boy roof in it. no motor, no transmission. That's why I told him he might well go on LS it. By the time he look for a 307 and get it the way he want it, find all the accessories and shit, he'll be done spent the same money as he can go get a 5.3 motor and transmission and get the little box and we put it in. He hands on too, so he pretty much know what to do. With my guidance and his knowledge, he'll get it in. We'll get it in. Y'all gonna start seeing more Big Sugar around the shop, y'all. He say he wanna come put his hands on some stuff and make y'all laugh at the same time. So we gonna see how this go. All right, got your phone, got everything. We strapped down. All right, y'all. We headed back to H-Town. So we'll see y'all later.